Nasi lemak, a local Malaysian favourite. I ate nasi lemak 2016 helped by friedchilis.com and picked 40 of the very best nasi lemak vendors across the Malay Peninsula. Including famous vendors like Wak Kentut Nasi Lemak From, which had among the longest of lines of people.
Sambal lebih sikit. Jangan marah bos. Boleh. Jangan kedekut sangat. Nanti aku kata tak sedap.
Sinanor Nasi Lemak from Chan Shaolin.
Rasa lah smoky tu. Kan? 47 tahun menjaga. Wow. Wah, sedap.
Nasi lemak Ujang Corner from Gombak.
Jangan lupa kalau dah habis kurma dan masih boleh beli kurma di luar. You can
Nasi lemak Ujang Corner.
Adakah rasa macam nilofa? Atau lagi sedap daripada nilofa?
Murah dah ni.
And a new variation brought to you by Chef Fauzi, Nasi Lemak Goreng.
RM8.
Okay, check out your coupon booklet. Inside is a lucky draw voucher. The lucky draw counters are upstairs.
Unlike normal nasi lemak, the coconut steamed rice is wok fried Chinese style to get what the Chinese say wok hei. The smoky flavour is generated from the high heat of the wok.
Apakah rasa nasi lemak?
Unfortunately, we were short on time and was only able to sample a few.
Okey.
Ais lemak goreng dia ada rasa beza. Ni boleh rasakan biji.
So this is it guys. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you like the video, just click on the like button and make sure you subscribe for more video from us. If you have any suggestion on your favorite nasi lemak, just leave it in the comment section below. I'm Jeff from Travel Dishes. Thank you for watching.